Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Harrison Hot Springs, British Columbia. This small village is located on the southern end of Harrison Lake, about 90 minutes east of Vancouver. It's surrounded by mountains, forests, and water, making it a popular place for relaxing and enjoying nature. The main attraction here is the natural hot springs, which have been used for hundreds of years by local Indigenous peoples for their healing properties. Today, the village has public pools filled with hot spring water and a resort that draws visitors year-round. Harrison Hot Springs gets its name from Benjamin Harrison, a former deputy governor of the Hudson's Bay Company. The hot springs were discovered by European settlers in the 1850s, and the area slowly grew into a resort destination. The lake is one of the largest in southwestern British Columbia, and the nearby beaches, walking trails, and boat tours make it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Harrison Hot Springs, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!